My name is Jesse Kahn. I'm the Director of Engineering here at BrightVault. BrightVault is an intelligent, scalable energy storage solution for the luxury custom home market. What we have is a fully scalable energy storage solution, so we can scale infinitely on the battery side, but really where we stand out is in our load management. This would be an 800 amp whole home battery backup system. And then right here we have a demo of our load management panel. This allows us to do priority-based load shedding based on battery state of charge. So the idea of let's back up the entire home, and then as those batteries discharge, we're gonna manage load intelligently so that you have the longest runtime for your critical loads, life safety and security, refrigeration. Those in an ideal world where maybe you have solar or a generator, we can very easily get your priority ones, priority twos to essentially an indefinite runtime with this load management system. The idea being for these luxury homes, people don't want to make sacrifices. It's awesome to have all of these really cool things for a short 30-minute, 1-hour outage. We want that client to be able to use their entire home, but we also know that there are critical systems in these homes that absolutely cannot go down. This load management can be put at every sub-panel. It's completely custom, lifetime warranty on all of this equipment, industrial grade. It is in a class of its own in terms of residential load management. You can reach us at brightvault.com or sales@brightvault.com. Or any of your local integrators will be able to get in touch with us.